Hello, once again, good evening, honey. I just want to correct myself. On the message I just sent, I made a mistake of saying March. We are not in March, we are in April. I made a mistake of saying we are 16th of March. No, it's 16th of April. And my video, I made a mistake of saying February, March, April, something like that, because I was a little bit, I forgotten the exact moment. I don't know. I'm sorry, it's April, it's not March. This is what I want to come and correct. And I wish everyone all the best of living at this critical moment. I wish we are all going to be safe. We love ourselves and keep ourselves. This is the moment, message for the Africa continent is this, the youth. The moment you people have to think of better things to do. You people can become wherever you want to become. I asked someone the other day, do you think Obama, if he were to be is in Africa, can he become the president of the world? He said no. That is not telling you that everybody should run from Africa. It's telling you you can become whatever you want to become. If you love yourself and you fight for it. And another thing we are seeing now, in the sectors of Africa that is locked down, the agricultural sectors is not locked down. Why don't we make profit of that now? Why don't we think of what to do? Why don't we start what the Europeans, they gradually grew themselves. On a difficulty, they bring us something that will help them to rise again. Why don't we think of better things? The effort we put to start idleness is the devil worships. So if we keep ourselves idle, our mind might tell us of different things that is not correct. And then we might act wrongly. So that is why I'm telling you, please engage yourself in different particular way. Locking down from the city, they did not lock down the agricultural assets from the different urban area. Urban area is what they call the villages, the town where you can crop anything up. If you people keep yourself busy in one thing or the other, that wherever, like in Europe, most of their economy is based on agricultural. But even in Africa, what is our economic? It's not even based on agricultural. I don't know what it's based on. Based on things we are not profitable. The other time they said they import even McLean from Europe to Africa. Very, I don't know. It's a thing that we have much to do. But youth, you people you are born to be blessed. You are born to change. Don't allow people to think for you anymore. Think for yourself. Don't allow anyone to use you. Any of these so-called adults, people come here to put evils in your ear. Let them fight. Let them wear the garments at the stairs at the front and we follow them. Not telling you they put you on the front, they are inside. You see them eating, giving their better life, and you young guys are just strongly shouting, destroying yourself for no use. You are more blessed than this. Don't allow people to think for you. We are in 2020. This is the year it's going to be a great revolution. As I just say, 4D is going to change the revolution in Europe. And Europeans are going to change their lifestyles. Which is they are going into technology. Why not we? This one they say 5G, it's not true. We see what the Japanese and Chinese are using the 5G to do in their place now. They're already doing it. They're already using it. We read. Let's search. Now there is no light in our place. There are different things we can do to produce light on our own natural way to ourselves. Let's unite. Let's use our talent to grow, to do better things. Not our talent for somebody to come and use us. If you are hungry, keep yourself calm. Nothing, violence does not change any situation. What changes situation is your dialogue, is your interaction, your understanding, you're keeping yourself, you're telling yourself the truth, questions and answer. Your relationship with each other. Examples of this so-called Chinese problem, they are trying to trash two continents together, the Chinese and Africa, which people doesn't really understand. Virus is causing problem. They are causing because they want to cause. Anywhere Chinese go, they are causing problem in that different countries, so that for them to hate Chinese, and they are succeeding in Africa. No. And the so-called actors who bring it themselves, I was contaminated and all those things are all actors. We don't allow them to use us. Youth, they lock the city. They did not lock the urban area. That effort you people have, use that effort to produce, to sit down, to harvest, plant, put it, land, opportunity for you to have something doing. That when this thing finish, we'll come out in victory. You come out in victory. We'll come out and say, if we're not to be a lockdown, we could have not known that we can produce. Do it. Please. Very important to us. Let's learn from our mistakes. Don't allow the Western world to put something that is not going to be helpful. Fighting now is nothing going to be helpful for you. What is helpful is what you use your hand to harvest. I've never seen anyone who come to Facebook, Africa, when you do this, what is going to be better for you, do this. No, it's only when fight come. You see them saying, this thing cannot be done. You always see them talking about fight. You never see them talking about good things that will make Africa to grow. We are not going to fight the fight that is not for us. Don't allow them to use you, robot you, put actions. I could have used one political man to make an example. Those people that passes Libya know what I want to say. We see what happened. And you see, till today, they are still paying for it. Because of the mistake, they allow them to use them. They use their own mindset. The worst thing the world can do for you is to use your same thinking against you. Your own mindset against you. Your weakness against you. Because you start eating yourself without knowing it. It's what they want to do with that virus. That a woman will be eating his own baby. It's not a new thing. And for her, those that work on that medical aspect, you know what I'm talking about. When your own self can fight against you, your production system is a problem. That is the woman. So, advice, this is the only thing I can tell the youth. Use this moment for your good. And police, remember all those police, instead of you to repair the country, what are you doing? big mothers and fathers and all those things. Why are we like this? This is our children that will give us food. There's a word in English, in European language, that they say, be good to everyone, be kind to everyone, because you never know who's going to give you your last cup of water. If you are not good to your own indigent, you are not treating them well. Remember, you are not getting younger, you are getting older. Somebody will flog you in your house one day when you are old. They will call you old stupid police, old stupid soldier. Whatever you do now will come back to you. Remember, anything you do, the same earth, your reward is back to you. That is what one thing we don't understand. Love your youth. Why not train the youth to become somebody important instead of killing the youths? This is what I'm saying. I'm still talking to the African continent, especially from where I'm from. They are already in poverty. What did you still want from them? They are already dying. What did you want from them? You that is still having a little, why are you doing who doesn't have nothing? Why? What a video I saw, a young boy beating his own grandmother. That woman will be maybe 80 or 90 years. That was the first time. Today I remember my grandmother. I think when I see her, I can go and kneel down in her front. I tell Grandma, forgive me for not coming to worship you the way I'm supposed to worship you. That video makes me to remember my grandma, that I have a lot to do to her. That I really going to show her love. I have a lot to do to my grandma. I'm owing my grandma something. For you, open your hands to even shout to your grandma. You, go and read the Bible and see what it talks about your elderly people. And you don't try that in Europe. You don't try it. You will be, you that try it, automatically in the night you are missed. Somebody will come and miss you up. The way that guy treats his own grandma today, I know it was yesterday. You see what madness has caused in Africa. See what I'm talking about? That the youth have become something else. Please, I love you all. I want you all to be safe. Love yourself. Keep yourself. I will continue repeating it. And those in Europe here, when you follow the law, we are safe. Love yourself too. Keep yourself. Young guys, help each other. Use your young age now to think of what you want to become. Mind another thing we are going to talk about. This is not the time. You can see now those people that use, when they have 1 naira, they send it to, they have 2 naira, they send it to. You see, when this thing come now, they now find themselves no money, no job. So you can see that those people have to change too. There are so many things we can do to teach ourselves. Love yourself. I love you all. Good evening.